Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into your American Honda Finance on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure that you have created the American Honda Finance account before logging it. Now, firstly, go to your preferred search engine of your device and in the search bar, type American Honda Finance Login and hit search. Then, you will see multiple sites. Look for the one that says American Honda Finance. This will take you to the official page of American Honda Finance. Once the page loads, you will need to accept all the cookies. Next, you will see the option of login or register on your screen and click on the login option. And in the next page, enter your mail ID that you have used to create your account. Then enter your account password and press sign in. And there it is. That's how you log into your American Honda Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.